Welcome to the channel of ZachLab Technologies. Today we are going to learn fundamentals of digital marketing. In the series of learning digital marketing, we shall proceed with SEO. Most of you have heard about SEO and the rankings on the search engine. SEO is an acronym for search engine optimization. There are many search engines over the internet: Bing, Yandex, Google, Yahoo. But the best one is Google. Though Google has millions of users. To understand SEO, first we need to understand a website. A website is a collection of web pages. Always remember that Google always gives rank to your web page, not your website. So here we have a quick look that we open to the Google Chrome, and here we're going to type our website ZachLab Technologies. So here we can see this is our website, and there are very different pages linked to our home page. So here we can see content marketing, link building services, online reputation management, and many more. These all are pages, and they all are separate entities. So always remember that Google always gives rank to your web pages, not your website. So the basic thing, let me show you one thing. If you want to check your search results, how your website is indexed on your on the search engine, so how we gonna do it? So let's type the search console google.com, and here we have to type the query site zachlab.com. As you can see, site:/zachlab.com. So the Google is showing up the results. This is the indexing of our website. And what is indexing? Let me give you an example. Suppose we have a website and we have 15 pages. So the Google crawlers or the Google bots will come to your website and they crawl all of your pages. They will index one by one, and they create a database of your website. As I have mentioned earlier, suppose you have 15 pages on your website, so all of them should be indexed in the search engine. So the search engine is nothing but a directory. So a directory, it extracts all the data, all the content, and all the information of your website, and it saves all the data to its database. So whenever a query comes and whenever the user intend to search some kind of if you type a query on the search box, so Google throws the best results, and if the content is good, really good, so the result will be yours, and there are higher chances that your result will appear. Okay, so let's come back to the SEO. To understand SEO, first we need to understand a website that we have covered. So let's come back to SEO. SEO is a practice. What is SEO? So basically, SEO is a practice in which we optimize our web pages to the best standards of the Google and other search engines, and perform certain activities which contribute to create a reputation of a page, and ultimately it increases the rankings of your website. So let me show you an example. So we are here on the Google Search Console search box. So here we are going to type a query. Let's say, suppose, best places to visit in Uttarakhand. Okay, so Uttarakhand is a small state in India. Okay, so here we can see we have some results related to our search query. So this query is called the keyword. Basically, it's a long tail keyword. We are going to cover this topic later on later videos. So here we can see we have some results appearing on the SERP, search engine result pages, from 1 to 100. So basically the Google shows 10 pages, and in each page there are 10 results. So first we can see the top 18 places to visit in Uttarakhand in 2019. Travel Triangle, a post by Travel Triangle. So for this query, Google finds it's more suitable. So the results are appearing on the top of the page. So here we can see another result: third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8, 9, 10. So basically, according to the relevancy, according to the weightage, according to the algorithms, according to the certain factors, Google determine the rankings, and it always gives you the best results of your queries. So basically, if you want to reach on the top of for a certain query, for a certain keyword, so there are certain activities that we perform, and these activities help us to gain the rankings to be on the top. So as we all know that Google has a huge database, there are millions of users all around the globe. So better rankings means better traffic, and better traffic means higher chances of getting conversion and revenue. So it depends what is your goal and other factors. Okay, so Google has certain bots or crawlers. Whenever the content comes to the internet, suppose we have this page. So let we open this page. As we can see, there are posts written for top 18 amazing places to visit in Uttarakhand in 2019. So whenever a content comes to the internet, the bots or the crawlers always comes to a website, and they extract all the content, whatever is written on it, and they index it back to the Google directories. They have a database, and they collect all the data, and they have certain type of algorithms they measure it on quality and standards, and they give you the best results. So Google has bots or crawlers. Whenever the content comes to the internet, the Google bots crawl the content, and after collecting all the results, it gives you the best answer for your query. And to become the best, we do SEO. So there are basic parameters of a web page. If you are going to perform the SEO, then you have to make your content, your web page or your website with quality. You should have quality on your web page or your content. Whatever you are going to publish, you should maintain the quality standard on it. So some of the basic parameters are: first, we see the relevancy. What is relevancy? Suppose you have written a content, and you always target your content for some kind of result. Suppose you have a topic, top amazing places, and best shoes, whatever it is, best smartphone in 10,000 or 20,000. So your content should closely related to your topic. It should not be vague or bogus content. They have certain type of algorithm through they are able to find it that this content is not as per the quality. Okay, so whenever you write the content, maintain the quality, your keyword density, and content should be rich, original content, no duplicacy, and a good written post. Okay, so let's move to another thing. It's title. So what is title? So basically we call it a title tag. It's a meta tag. So here I'm going to put a query: best phones under 10K. Okay, so the best phones under 10K. Here we are able to see the results. So the first one is www.digit.in, and this is the title: Best Phones Under 10,000 in May 2019. This is the title tag. You can understand this simply. Suppose you have a book and there are a lot of content written on that book, so you have to name that book so that you are easily able to identify that book. So this is called the title tag. So you have to write the title of your content. The another one is the description tag. So what is description tag? Suppose you have written title and the title is not enough to to recognize your content and whatever you have written or your web page. So we use description tag. Description tag does nothing but it elaborates your title. You can put a small description of your content, and it make a deeper meaning and deeper sense of your content. The other one is backlinks. So the backlinks are the most important factors when it comes to the rankings of your web page. Trust me, you have seen so many videos, and people always claim you can get backlinks easily from there, you can create backlinks like this, that, but trust me, gaining backlinks is the most hectic and most tiring activities. It is not that easy to get the quality backlinks. You have to undergo through a lot of research, and you'll get it. So basically, what are backlinks? When some website is simply giving a link to your website, it's called backlink. So Google considered it a referral. Let me give an example. Here we have suppose we have put the query, we are putting this query: best phones under 10K. Okay, let me open this link. Okay, here we can see this is the page. Okay, so this page is much better to understand this thing. So suppose this is our written blog of 18 amazing places to visit in Uttarakhand in 2019. Okay, so we are going down, we are scrolling down, and here we can find just a few kilometers from the bustling Mussoorie. And here, if you click on this link, this Mussoorie is going to some another page, or some other, this can be some other page or some other website. So this is a simply referral, and we are putting a link, hyperlink on content. So this is called an anchor text. So the such type of links are backlinks. When a high authoritative website refers your website, suppose it is giving a link to your websites, this is called a backlink. So let me give you a simple example. Let's say you sing, you're a very good singer and you sing very well, and some of your friend and some of your brother and sister, anyone, those who are not famous, they are just simply saying to the people, hey, listen to him, he sings very nice, but no one is listening to you, no one is ready to listen your song. Why? Because those people, those who are referring you, they are nothing, they have no authority, they are not influencers, they are nothing. So let's say if some influencer comes, like a famous singer comes, and he comes and he listened to you, and he said, yeah, he's a very nice singer, you should listen to him. And what happened? Whoa, all of a sudden there are millions of people, those who are coming to listen to you. So this is nothing but when a high authoritative figure just refers to you, it increases your authority, and suddenly you come into limelight. So this is the work of backlinks. Higher the authority, higher the chances of getting ranked better. So this is our small introduction about SEO. So in our later videos we are going to learn much more about search engine optimization. Thank you very much. Like and subscribe our channel. Click on the bell icon and subscribe.